Hi Cassidy, Shannon Coward here at Tameron Hyundai in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. You inquired about the Sonata Hybrid. We have got so many beautiful colors and packages to choose from. Now whenever you and I meet, we will funnel down exactly what you're trying to achieve. And keep in mind, we've got several acres of different vehicles to choose from, but I want to tell you, Cassidy, the most important thing, that is the America's Best warranty. You have a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. Exclusive to Tameron, we add another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. My name is Shannon Coward. I'm your personal sales associate assigned just to you. The number here at the dealership is 205-380-6250, or you can hit me on my personal cell at 205-907-4700. Here at Tameron Hyundai, Cassidy, you're going to love the way you're treated. I look forward to meeting with you and working with you very soon. Thank you.